Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this pink dramatic Valentine's Day look. If you guys like this look, make sure you continue watching and give this video a like. And I'd really appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's get started. So to start off the look, I'm first going to prep my face using the Glowtopia oil from Madison Beauty to hydrate my face and add a glow to my skin. Next, I'm taking my primer and I'm going to prime my eyelids so that all the eyeshadow that I'm going to be putting on won't be creasing throughout the day. Next, I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury powder to set that primer before I apply my eyeshadows. So I'm going to be using this pineapple palette from Tarte Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with that brown shade in my crease. Then I'm going to take that pink blush shade and I'm going to apply it on top of that brown shade to make the look more pink, because the brown was just to warm up the crease. Now I'm adding the pink to make it look more pink instead of the bronze color. I'm also going to use the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star, and I'm going to take that pink shade and I'm going to apply that now to the crease as well. Next, I'm taking this shade and I'm going to apply it to the more outer part of my eye and a little bit on the lower part of my crease, just to add some more dimension and contrast in my eyelid. I'm going back into the Tarte palette and I'm going to use this shade in my crease as well. What I'm doing here is just going back and forth with those colors, and I'm just trying to add some dimension and like contrast to the eye look so that it doesn't look just plain like pink. I wanted to have some dimension and different tones underneath. So next I'm taking the Dose of Colors and I'm applying this pigment to my eyelid so that we can apply the glitter on top of it and it has something to stick to. So now I'm taking the Dose of Colors Block Party eyeshadow in the shade Shall We Dance and applying that on top of that pigment I put. Next, I'm going back into that Dose of Colors Duo eyeshadow and the loose glitter that's underneath. I'm going to apply that to my lid because I like the color of this one more for today's look, and loose glitters tend to shine more and stand out more. Now I'm taking the Dose of Colors liner I have and I'm applying that to my lash line. So next I'm taking that black eyeshadow and I'm going to take an angled brush and apply it over the liner I just did, because applying black eyeshadow to the liner makes it look more sultry and like blended and smoked out more. So I like that look, especially for today's look. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara before I apply my false lashes. I applied my false lashes off camera, so it was the Ardell Wispies. And now I'm applying a little bit more mascara to connect the false lashes and my lashes together. Then I'm taking the Face Atelier foundation and I'm going to apply my foundation. Today I'm going to do cream contour, so I'm taking the LC Cosmetics concealer in a darker shade and I'm going to use that as a contour shade and just contour my face. The shade was slightly a lot darker than I thought, so I took some foundation and applied it over the contour to blend it out. Then I'm taking my LC Cosmetics concealer and I'm going to use that to conceal and highlight the areas that I want highlighted. After I blended out and contoured my face, I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury powder and I'm setting my face. I love the Charlotte Tilbury powder because whenever I put it on, I just feel like it filters my whole face, and especially on camera, you just look flawless. For bronzer, I'm taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and I'm gonna bronze my face. For blush, I'm taking the LC Cosmetics blush in the shade Pink Lagoon and applying that. I like to add a little bit of blush to the tip of my nose because I like the way it looks. It kind of gives like this sun-kissed blushing look. For highlighter, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in the shade So Hollywood. This is my favorite highlighter, but I'm not sure if they still sell this. Here I'm taking that pink shade from the Jeffree Star palette and I'm applying that to my lower lash line. Here I'm taking the liner I did earlier on my lash line and now I'm applying it to my waterline just to darken up the look. For my lips, I'm gonna take the ColourPop in the Ultra Matte lipstick and apply this shade. I don't know if they still have this shade either, but I'll list it down below if they do. Then I'm taking the Dose of Colors gloss in the shade Can You Not and applying that to the center of my lips. Lastly, I'm taking the Patrick Ta body glitter oil and applying that to my collarbone, shoulders, and arms to bronze up and add some shine to my skin. I also just really love the smell of this oil. And now I'm just taking the Urban Decay setting spray and spraying it all over my face to set my makeup. So this is the final look. If you guys liked it, make sure you give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see any future videos I'll be posting. Thank you guys so much to those of you who do watch my videos. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.